Guys, I wanted to show you this electric drum set that I received from the company. This is definitely one instrument that you could purchase a beginner and make them like fall in love with playing drums or just playing music in general. Everybody in my family has been having a blast with this. There's five of us, every single one of us. It comes with lots of different modes, so it can like teach you how to start playing. What we all really like about it too is that it's been in our living room and it's hooked up to headphones. So nobody can hear it except for the person playing. So people can be playing while other people are watching TV or doing other things like working or on a computer, and nobody will really know. So it allows you to just like practice, have fun, get really creative. There's other features also where you can plug in your phone and record, or a computer and record. You could also put in an amp and have it be loud for everybody, or it comes with these headphones. It also comes with this seat, which is adjustable. This is my husband on it. My kids play with it as well. So all of us are able to use it. The other feature that I love about this comparative to like something else, another type of drum set, is that you can pick it up and put it in a different room. So it's in our living room now, but we've had it in our playroom. Then we also had it in my son's bedroom. Hands down, awesome, awesome, awesome.